Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today I actually got a treat. I got home from work and I had a software update and I ended up with version 2019.8.5. Let's check it out. Alright, well as you can see, it starts out with peak power increase, auto steer stoplight warning. I had both of those in version 2019.8.3, but here's the one we're going to want to check out. Navigate on Autopilot Beta. With this, my car will now not require confirmation to change lanes. Really, this is the first of the full self-drive type features. Everyone with enhanced autopilot, I believe, and or full self-drive should be getting this feature soon. Let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the autopilot menu and we'll check it out. I would assume we're going to tap Customize Navigate on Autopilot, and here we go, Navigate on Autopilot. We will enable it at the start of every trip, and I'm actually sitting here not in park, so let's go ahead and put the car in park. And we will require lane change confirmation? No. Of course, this does not make your vehicle autonomous. You must continue to keep your hands on the wheel, monitor your surroundings. Lane changes may happen quickly at any time. You must remain in control. Are you sure you want to disable lane change confirmation? Well, now that they put it that way, I'm not sure, but we'll go ahead and click yes. Okay, so lane change notification. This is new as well. Off, chime, vibrate, both. Well, this is new, so let's go ahead and keep it on both. I think that's going to be safest. The little bubble here says, Autopilot can notify you that a lane change is starting by vibrating the steering wheel or playing a chime. All right, so I'm going to assume both will probably get a little annoying, but again, it's brand new, so let's say both. Okay, that's it. Let's go for a drive. All right, well, before you can navigate on autopilot, you've got to be navigating, so let's go somewhere. Navigate to Fort Lauderdale Airport. All right, off we go. You can see Navigate on Autopilot was automatically selected by default now. Okay, let's jump on the highway. All right, I'll let Autopilot do the rest. Start out going a little slower. We'll make it 70 miles an hour. So I would just go speed limit. We'll say 65. First up here is a merge. There's no one in the blind spot though. Changing lanes to follow the route. Alright. The car is shifting lanes on its own. I've done nothing. That is amazing. So far so good here with Navigate on Autopilot. No confirmation lane change, just got us right onto the highway, right into the middle lane. Of course there's no traffic, so we're not going to see much more here. Let's do a quick, we'll change our mind. Navigate to Home Depot. This will be real quick. Home Depot's on this exit. I'm not giving it a lot of time. All right, let's see what happens. We got to get over. No hands. We are not going to make the exit. All right, that was probably my fault. I don't think we want to blame the car on that one. Navigate to Walmart. Sure, there's a bunch. None of which look familiar to me. There we go. All right, we'll try that one. That gets us going back in the other direction. All right, jumping back on the highway here. This time we'll try to get it to take us all the way through to exiting on the highway. See if it can handle everything on its own. We'll do 70. That'll give us better odds of the car wanting to switch lanes. A little late on the blinker as well. All right, no one's in the blind spot. We'll just switch lanes over to the left. And of course, there's kind of sort of no traffic. But again, the car did take us over from the far right lane to the middle lane on its own. And our exit's coming up in 4 miles, so we'll see how it does. We'll see what happens with some traffic up ahead if we catch up. All right, let's try to speed up, see if we can catch up to that traffic. Changing lanes into faster lane. So there goes Mad Max moving us over, changing its mind. There we go. I guess it wanted me to clear the warning that my hands weren't on the wheel. So now we are in the far left lane on our own. Tell you what, driving to work just got a whole lot easier. Again, I'm not doing anything. I'm just resting my hand here to keep some weight on the wheel. And of course, I'm ready to take over if I have to. Moving out of the passing lane, we don't need that anymore. So again, we are totally hands-free. You'll notice it's not going because I haven't applied force to the wheel, so looks like that's all it takes. It doesn't want to do the lane change if it's not sure if you've touched the wheel in a little while, so that's smart. So I just rest my hand right here. We won't get that warning again. Here, I'll keep it out of the way. So we'll see, here our exit's coming up in a mile, so we'll see when it switches lanes, if we kind of dart behind this car coming up and if we slow down, or if it'll keep kind of pressing ahead. All right, so upcoming lane change, we know it's soon. Here we go, steering wheel is vibrating. Obviously you can't really see that. That was really smooth. Go ahead and drop us down to 70, and the exit's coming up. So here we go. We're going to exit the highway. Of course, it's already been doing this for a while now. Awesome. Next stop, Walmart. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. That's our first look at Tesla's no conformation lane change in Navigate on Autopilot. That's Model 3 software version number 2019.8.5. Hope you all get it soon. And if you're interested in buying a new Tesla and you'd like to have functionality like you just saw in this video, you can use my referral code. It is Michael34469. I've got a link down below. That'll get you 1,000 miles of free supercharging to go with your new car purchase. So as always, I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Have a good one. Bye.